Understanding the mechanics of price movement is essential for technical analysis, particularly when identifying areas where market participants have previously exerted significant influence. The dynamic gravity attractor approach focuses on identifying these zones by aggregating historical pivot points, volume data, and touch frequency into a structured spatial representation of market structure. This analytical process operates by scanning historical price data to detect swing highs and lows, which are then clustered based on an average true range (ATR) threshold to define significant price levels. Each cluster is assigned a mass value, derived from the volume associated with those pivots and the frequency at which price has interacted with that specific level. By applying a gravitational logic, where mass acts as an attractor, the system calculates the relative strength of support and resistance levels. The net force calculation provides an ongoing assessment of the directional pressure between these identified clusters, allowing for a quantitative evaluation of the current market equilibrium versus potential gravitational pull toward nearby structures. Cluster resolution: market structure is normalized using ATR-based distance metrics to ensure that price levels are grouped in a contextually relevant manner regardless of market volatility. Mass allocation: the significance of a level is not determined by price alone, it incorporates volume-weighted participation and interaction frequency, providing a more comprehensive view of institutional interest at specific coordinates. Gravitational field mapping: by modeling the influence of these levels as a field, analysts can identify the center of gravity, which represents the mean price level where opposing supply and demand forces are currently balanced. Dynamic bias evaluation: the system continuously monitors the shift in net force between active clusters, offering an objective look at how structural pressure evolves as the market moves. Warning: educational software for analytical purposes only. Trading involves significant risk.